Okay, so first search for Gemini CLI, then click on this first link. It will take you to this Google Gemini CLI repository. Just scroll down and then just copy this command and run your CMD as an administrator, and then just paste the command and install this Gemini CLI in your PC, and then just wait for some couple of seconds. Okay, so it has been installed. So in order to try this, you need to enter Gemini. Okay, so it has been running successfully. So basically I have already authenticated my account with in this CLI, so it is not asking me any API key or any authentication. But if you try for the first time, you need to authenticate using your Gmail, or you can enter your Gemini API key. Okay, after that you just need to enter your prompt what you want to do it. Or let's say I want to create a Telegram bot using Express. Okay, hit enter. So basically it will just research, and based on that prompt it will ask you the permission. You just keep on yes, and then it will just generate the Telegram bot for me in just a few clicks. Just allow. Right now it is using this Gemini 2.5 Pro version, you can say the LLM models. Okay, so I think it is ready. Let it gets completed, and then I will just show you the complete source code which this CLI has been generated for me. Great, so it has been created thus. Yeah, so in this location, if you just paste this location, here you go. So this is the Telegram bot which this Gemini CLI has been generated for me, which I can just install the dependencies such as the Express and add this API key, and then I can just run this Telegram bot very easily. So this is how you can use Gemini CLI in your PC. Hope you have understood all the process and try it out. Have fun.